For this assignment, you should have yesterday followed the flowchart to create this code in MakeCode. And so when we play this code, we press the A button and the light stays on. And so what does the program do when you run it? Well, the light stays on. Light comes on and stays on. This is the actual objective for the code. It says that the following code should blink with an LED light in the center of the microbit for half a second, then it should turn off, and then it should continue doing that forever until when someone presses the A button. And so when we look at this and we press the A button, it just comes on and never turns off. And so it is not blinking. The light is not blinking. And so what we're going to do is we're going to analyze the program, break it down into different parts, and we're going to code trace the problem so that we can fix it. And so the objective is right here in between 1 and 2. So we're going to copy the objective and we're going to paste it in number 3. In other programs, this objective will be found on the code, but because we made this code ourselves, there is no comment box here. And so the bug is that the light turns on and stays on. So when we look at our code, we can see that I have taken screenshots of each part of the code, and I am helping you understand how to fill this out. So when we look at the expected outcome, I've already written it for you. So we have a picture of the code, and so what is expected is the program will start when the A button is pressed. And that is actually the actual outcome. And so we can be efficient, and we can copy these words, and we can paste them into number 5. And then we have to ask ourselves, is this a bug? Well, it is not a bug because the program actually starts on the A button press. So I can check that to make sure that I'm correct. Press the A button, the program started. So that was not a bug. And now we're going to go to the next part. So this picture of the code says that while the A button is pressed, we will have a pause for 500 milliseconds. It'll show the LED, and then it will pause again. So the expected outcome here is in our objective, and this expected outcome is the second sentence. The LED light will turn on for 5.5 milliseconds, and turn off for 0.5 milliseconds. So we're going to copy that with Control-C, go to number 7, and we're going to paste it. So it should turn on and then turn off. But we know that our program only turns on, and the light never turns off. So we're going to come here and we're going to say that. Light turns on, but never turns off. And this is a bug. So now we will answer, yes, it is a bug. And the last part, the clear screen. So this is the last part of our objective that says that the LED light will continue to do this forever. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to paste it in number 10. So the LED light should continue doing this forever. Well, it continues to stay on forever, but not turn on and off. So the light turns on and stays on, and we know that that's part of a bug. So we're going to say, yes, it is a bug. And so now, here is our wrong code. So I went ahead and gave you a picture. So this is exactly the code that you should have. We're now going to go take a picture of the corrected code, but we have to figure out how to fix it. And so you have all of the pieces of code here that you need. What do you think is in the wrong place? If you thought we need to move the clear screen inside the loop, you would be correct. Let's try our code. Light turns on and off, and it will continue doing this as long as the A button is pressed and the microbit has power. So this is the correct solution. So we have to take a picture of this using our snipping tool. We're going to take a picture of the entire code. Because we just took the snipping tool, we just used the snipping tool, it's copied. So all we have to do is come to this box number 13 and paste. If the picture is really big, you can shrink it to make it a little bit smaller so we can see it. And then the other thing we need is to publish our code. So we come over here, by the house is the share button. It has to be named, and we click share. This is the link we need, so we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it. And then it's not an actual link until we hit the spacebar. And so then you need to answer number 15. How did we fix the problem? What did we do over here to make this code work correctly? When you're done, you're ready to turn it in.